Do you want to learn how to repurpose content and speed up your content workflow as a creator? Whether you're in a membership site, whether you're a course creator, or whether you're just creating content for your business, then this is for you. So why would you want to learn this? Well, one of the biggest gains is time. It actually will save you so much time if you build this system into your workflow. Imagine getting a whole month's worth of content created in less than a day. And then that's it. You can forget about it. You can just schedule it. But also, it keeps you focused on what you're trying to sell at that time rather than jumping around. So check it out. So how are we going to do this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to think very carefully about our script. So we're going to be scripting so that we've got it into chunks or modules. And from that, we can create a long form video. We can create a blog. We can create individual socials. You've got to learn this. Jump in by following the link. So I know what you're thinking. What software do I need to repurpose my content? Well, it's absolutely fine. You've probably already got it. All you need is a video editor and a notepad if you want, or you can use AI as well to help you. So everything's available, everything you've probably already got. So make sure you follow the link to find out exactly how to repurpose your content. So if you want to see how to repurpose your content, how to turn half a day into a month's worth of work, then you've got to follow the link and sign up for the workshop. It's absolutely free. I hope to see you then.